Welcome back to Robby Hobby, where things get cooked and sometimes steamy. Today, I'm turning yesterday's cold, lonely, leftover rice into something hot, heavy, and totally satisfying. You guessed it, Kathal Biryani. Well, not exactly biryani, more like biryani's naughty cousin. You know, the one who shows up uninvited but still steals the spotlight. Let's start with about 1 pound of katahal, raw jackfruit, thick, firm, and ready to be handled. First, trim off the rough bits because nobody likes it when it's too rough. And chop it into small cubes. Size matters, but hey, we'll keep it cute today. Now for the drama, the fried onions. Slice up 2 medium onions because this dish needs some layers, baby. Thin, golden, and caramelized, just like your ex, but more reliable. Chop some fresh coriander and mint. These little green things really knows how to freshen up the mood. Time for the marinade, aka spice massage therapy. In a big bowl, toss in the katahal cubes, a generous cup of yogurt, get it nice and creamy, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil because things are better when they get slippery, some curry leaves, mint, coriander, and crushed fenugreek leaves. A feast of green peas because we all need some popping action. Then spice it up with 1 black cardamom, 2 green cardamom, a few cloves, 1 teaspoon black pepper, a little nutmeg, and a half inch of cinnamon stick. We are building layers of seduction here. Salt to taste, don't be shy baby. 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoon garam masala. Yes, we are going full throttle today. Mix that ball like you mean it. And let it rest for 1 to 2 hours. Give it time to marinate, contemplate its life choices, and get fully flavored. Meanwhile, let's fry those onions. Heat 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, toss in the sliced onion, and fry till golden brown. Oops, I got busy with work. Yes, I multitask like a desi ninja. The onion got a bit too much sun. But hey, no guests today. I am the judge, the chef, and the eater. And between you and me, I'd still hit that. Now, let's layer this love story. Grab a clay pot or any heavy bottom pot. Spray some oil on the bottom like it's about to go to the beach. Then add a layer of our naughty marinated katahal. Sprinkle some fried onions. Add your leftover basmati rice. Yesterday's sad rice is today's hero. Top it off with more fried onions and a splash of water just to keep things moist. A few drops of Keuda essence, aka floral portrait. Cover it up. Now place this part on tawa, flat griddle. Usually I seal it with wheat dough, but today I'm lazy and lusty. I just slapped on a towel and put some weight on it, just how I like my cooking, of course. On low heat, let it slow cook for 35 to 45 minutes. Let the flavor make sweet love in there. 45 minutes later, moment of truth. Let's open up this hot surprise. Ooh, that smell is divine, like a forbidden romance between katahal and curry. I wish I could send this smell through YouTube, but copyright laws haven't figured that out yet. Don't worry, my expressions will do the talking. Yes, that's the stuff. Time to eat this sexy biryani right here in my home office. Because work from home doesn't mean boring meals. It means no pants and full flavor. If you like this slutty shortcut biryani, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Robby Hobby. Full on Kathal Biryani coming soon. More intense, more seductive and fully committed. Until then, keep cooking and keep it hot. Bye lovers.